Clear Safari's search history on your iPhone in seconds. First, clear Safari history from the browser. For this, open Safari on your iPhone. In the bottom right, tap on the three dots. Then select Bookmarks. Now switch to the Clock tab to see your browsing history. In the top right corner, tap on the three-dot menu. From here, you can either select specific websites to delete or choose Clear to remove all browsing data. When you tap Clear, you'll be given different time frame options. Choose your preferred time frame and tap Clear History. You can also do it from iPhone settings. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on Apps. Again, scroll down and click on Safari. Next, scroll again until you find Clear History and Website Data. Tap on it. The same time frame options will appear. Select the time range you want and confirm by tapping Clear History. If the Clear History and Website Data option is grayed out in settings, it might be due to screen time restrictions. Go back to Settings. Scroll down till you find Screen Time and tap on it. Then open Content and Privacy Restrictions. If this option is enabled, turn it off. Now go back to Safari settings, and you can see the Clear History and Website Data option accessible. And that's it. Follow and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.